Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play the theme music to the popular Netflix series Squid Game, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Breathe in through 6 3 times. Breathe in through 6 another 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 9. Breathe in through 6 twice. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 7. And breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 4. And breathe in through 2 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. And repeat phrases 1, 2, 3, and 4 2 more times before moving on to phrase 5. Breathe in through 2 twice. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 2. And blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 7 twice. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5 3 times. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 7. And breathe in through 6. and practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. And repeat phrases 5 and 6 before starting again from the beginning. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonic using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.